What is going through your mind? What does this question mark mean? Isn't the sound working for me? What do I think of such pseudo-creative introductions? Will the whole video continue in this style? And anyway, when does it finally start? Questions have an inevitable effect. They set thought processes in motion. They cause us to actively search for explanations and develop solutions. And nothing convinces us more than the answers we give ourselves. For this reason, a good salesperson, a good executive, a good project manager asks a lot of questions. They do not try to steamroll their counterpart with an avalanche of words. Rather, they get the other person talking and jointly develop convincing answers with them. If you master this ability, you will have a speaking share of no more than 50% in future discussions. But your effect on your conversation partner and your knowledge of them will be many times greater. Let's look at how to become a successful questioner.